Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new episode of Boofs Sports Card Collecting. Today it's me and my buddy Aaron, and we're going to be ripping a hanger box each of 2025-2026 Topps Basketball. So looking for this guy, Cooper Flag. They say Chase exclusive Dynamite Parallels, and they say, yeah, Dynamite Parallels. So look for autographs and relic cards. You know, we're looking for the autos. But hangers are bangers.
Hangers are bangers.
So let's see what we get. Gotta like it when you don't spend too much and you get something big, you know? Maybe they're bangers if they come apart. Let's see this side, yeah. Should be a pack. One pack.
The chef right on top.
Right on top. The chef.
Steph Curry.
Steph Curry. Have some chicken curry. And who's on the back?
Isaiah
See, it's amazing how I can't see it.
Hutchinson. Isaiah Hutchinson.
Okay. So we're going to go through the base here. Steph. That's cool.
Cameron
Johnson. Anthony Simmons, I think.
Anthony Simmons.
Yeah, my Jaylen Brown, even though I don't like him. Mike Conley. Who's this?
Clipper card.
Oh, the Joker Nation. Got it. Tyler Smith. Clay Thompson.
Shooter.
Tyler Hero.
Another shooter.
Jalen Willis.
What's that thing on there?
That is a good damn question.
That looks different, my friend.
Yeah. Is it numbered? It is. It is definitely a different back, I think. I don't know. But that is cool. We'll have to look at it.
Side just in case.
That's what we're going to do.
And
We got Andrew Wiggins. Salam Ahmad.
Santi Aldama.
Santi Amada. Where is this? Tristan
De Silva.
The Sacramento Queens. I can't. Oh no.
Nets. Brooklyn Nets.
I'm sorry. I thought that's
Nets
the
duo.
Kings. Nets.
BKN. It says Brooklyn.
Brooklyn. Who is that?
AJ Johnson.
I think so. Detroit Pistons. Pistons rain points. Pistons shoot lights out.
Anthony Edwards.
Anthony Edwards, yeah, that's a good one. Evan Mobley.
Jonte Murray.
Thank you. Lamar Ball. I've heard that they want to trade him.
Mr. LaMelo. Jabari.
Barry Smith Jr. Trae Young.
Trey. Oh, is that one gold? Am I tripping? Oh no, it's just because of his team?
Think so.
Yeah.
Brandon Willis. Yeah, because it's gold.
Sakeem. Yeah,
Zach Levine. Max Strus. Jordan Hawkins. Blue Creighton. Okay. Carrington. The Bulls.
Young Bulls play tough.
Jalen
Pickett.
What do we got here? Wolves.
Bring energy. Anthony. D'Angelo.
Thank you. All right, all of a sudden.
D'Angelo Russell.
Chet Holmgren. We got some backwards cards. Grizzlies. So let's hold off on this stuff.
Yeah.
And we'll get back to that. Okay.
Jalen Tyson.
D'Angelo Fox.
De'Aaron Fox.
Oh, De'Aaron. D'Aaron.
De'Aaron Fox.
Michael Porter Jr.
Sir.
DC Duo Dazzled City. Okay.
Easy to say
That's a lot
3
of,
times.
A lot of D's there. Keyshawn
George. I can say.
All Stars. On the way.
Lead the way for the Cavs.
Okay.
Suggs, your boy.
All we need is
Grady.
Our man Grady. Oh,
That's probably
the J Shine. Okay, what does that mean?
What's your dude's name? Jay, I guess?
Mhm.
Jason
Cade Cunningham.
and LeBron James.
LeBum. Kobe White.
Wrong Kobe.
Yeah, wrong Kobe. Norman Powell. I can't even read it. Can you?
Gershon Yabusel.
Okay, thank you.
Jimmy Butler.
Jimmy Buds.
Nick Claxton.
Grizzlies.
Fighting Claw. That's that Grizzly
Okay.
card.
Now let's see what we got here. Ooh,
Ingram fancy card.
Brandon Ingram
Nice.
with a foil.
8-bit ballers.
Kate Cunningham, 8-bit baller.
That's a cool
Shot
card.
caller. And we got
Generation
Now.
Philly for BJ Edgecombe. The freak power players.
Giannis Antetokounmpo or whatever the fuck.
freak.
I always mess that name up.
Carter
8-bit
Bryant.
ballers. Carter Bryant rookie. And this is
Generation Now Yang Hansen. That's a cool looking one.
about
Abdul Thea
rookie
card.
for the Lakers.
45-year anniversary.
Bang bang. And then 2 cards here. Got a. Oh, these are my,
Strauss.
and Zach Levine. These are my fancy cards that come
Those are
in.
the Dynamite parallels.
I believe so. Yeah.
Diamante parallels.
Diamante.
All right.
Got it, Aaron.
You got it,
All right. So Aaron is gonna take over.
not so bad. So we got the same thing. Cooper flag. You can pull your stuff
Pull my
aside.
stuff
You
out
can
of the
start
way. Yeah.
sleeving up.
Nice.
Some nice inserts there. I don't know what that guy is. You're gonna have to take a look at
We're
that.
gonna have to look at that. Yeah.
NBA All Rookie. That's what it is. So it's kind of like the Rookie Cup in baseball, I think.
Maybe.
That's what it looks like.
Okay, and these are my inserts.
It's a 45-year card.
At least I got some PC cards there. Huh?
Yeah, some Vaughn, other things.
This one.
Yeah, that's cool. 45-year anniversary card. OG Tops.
Sweet.
All right, so
All right.
Dallas Mavericks. Looking for autos and relics. Same thing. I already ripped the plastic off, so here we go. Open up. See that it's still sealed though, so you know we're not playing games. First guy for me, Klay Thompson.
Right on. I think I
On
got
the
that one.
front
Sweet card.
and on the back, the Heat Catch Fire checklist. Okay, so like you, I'm going to put the special stuff to the back. We'll slip the base cards to the front. Come last. Denny Abdija. Jonathan Mogbo. Quentin Post. Ron Holland II. Ronnie James Jr.
Hey,
Just got put down to the G
your
League.
favorite player.
Brooke Lopez. Kyrie. Miles Bridges. Terry Eason. Donovan Mitchell. There's a shooter. Trey Murphy III. Sorry. Wendell Carter Jr. Keldon Johnson. Russ Westbrook.
Move your hand
Oh,
over.
sorry. Heat Catch Fire. There's that Klay Thompson we saw in the front. Tyler Hero. Same Jalen Wells. Similar card you got.
Oh, sweet.
So the NBA rookie
Rookie.
team. All rookie team. That's what he is. 24-25 all rookie team.
Sweet.
Andrew Wiggins. We got similar cards here.
Mm.
Santi Aldama. Tristan Da Silva. Nets duo dominates. They have this little section right here. AJ Johnson. How wild. Pistons shoot lights out. Remember, you had all these. Anthony Edwards.
I had him too, yeah.
Thunder up. Trio dominates on both sides of the ball. Patrick Williams from the Bulls. Hero. Derrick Jones Jr. from the Clips. There's your boy, Grady.
Grady! I got your buddy Suggs, dog.
Jonathan
All we
Kuminga.
need is a jersey swap.
Embiid. Joel Embiid. Jordan Clarkson.
Used to be a Laker.
Yeah.
Now I just
Pure
got,
Magic.
Now I just got beat by the Lakers.
Paolo and Suggs Sizzle.
Suggs Sizzle. Success.
Evan Mobley. DeJounte Murray. There's LaMelo. Jabari Smith Jr. Trey. Shoot.
Trey
Young. Brandon Williams. Pascal Siakam. Zach Levine. I think he's worthy of that. Max Struss. Jordan Harkins. Bob Carrington. There we go. A lot of similar cards, bro.
Hmm.
Young Bulls play tough. Jalen Pickett. Denver. Protect home court. Wolves bring energy. You had that one too. D'Angelo. Chet Holmgren. Here we go. Got a green, orange parallel.
Hey, number.
Out of 25, Mike Conley,
Nice.
Minnesota.
Boom.
22 out of 25. Bang.
Bang.
Not bad.
There you go.
Pretty good edges on that bad boy, too. Got a Clutch City Prospects, Trey Johnson III, Washington Wizards, rookie. 8-Bit Ballers card, Jeremiah Fears rookie card. Generation Now, Ace Bailey rookie card.
Number to 25 out of a blaster.
22
Bang.
out of a blaster.
22 of 25. Bang.
Dylan Harper, Power Players rookie card. The Spurs. 8-Bit Ballers, Noah Esingju. Those 8-Bit Ballers look kind of interesting. Carter Bryant is my 45 anniversary card, rookie. And oh, sorry, I had one base card left, I guess.
All right.
OG Anubai. And then my cracked silvers are Julius Randle
All right.
and Youthful Jazz Play Hard. Jazz Dance. There we are, but that out of 25 ain't so bad.
No, that's pretty cool.
Got some nice ones, little banger on that.
Yeah,
Mike
not bad.
Conley, from,
I
could
definitely
be a better player, but it's not too bad.
Definitely think you got the better box there.
For sure.
All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Let me know in the comments down below who you think got a better box. I think he did, but that's my personal opinion. You guys let me know. Tell me which card was your favorite. And as I always say, peace.
Peace.